How to deposit paper money on Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll explain and guide you on how you can deposit paper money on Cash App. Now you can deposit paper money into your Cash App balance at participating retailers. Now Cash App charges a flat rate of $1 processing fee on each paper money deposit. This fee is automatically collected from the funds that you are depositing. Now where can you deposit? Now there are certain retailers or merchants that you can use to deposit. The first is Walmart, that is customer service desk or money centers, Walgreens, Dwayne Reed, 7-Eleven, Family Dollar, Go-Mart, Sage, Come & Go, Quick Trip, Speedway, HEB, Go-Mart, Rite Aid, Thornton's, Travel Centers of America, Dollar General, and Pilot Travel Centers. So what you can do is you can use the map to head into the paper money section of here. Now how to do? Now you can tap the banking tab on your Cash App. You want to open up your Cash App, and on the home screen you want to tap on the banking tab, and you want to select the paper money. Then you want to find a location near you or use the search bar to enter an address, and once you have found a convenient location, use the options to get directions or copy the address into your preferred navigation app. And after you have arrived at the store, tell the cashier you want to load funds to your Cash App using your barcode. If they are not sure how to help, you can show them the instructions by tapping the question mark on your map. Once the cashier scans the barcode with your Cash App, hand them the money you like to deposit. The funds will automatically be added to your Cash App balance. So I'll recommend you keeping a copy of your receipt from the cashier as well. So this way you can deposit paper money on Cash App. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.